this is an unsponsored post on this mold stain remover. I got a nice handwritten note from the company. I paid for this with my own money. Make sure you wear gloves. Our front load washer is pretty new and it already has so much mold, especially in this rubber gasket. So I made sure to thoroughly dry and clean the area. And then I put the stain remover on the stain spots. And you're supposed to leave it 3 to 5 hours. I left it overnight and I ended up doing 1.5 applications of this. You're seeing the first application. So I put this on, it hardened, and to my surprise, this worked so well when nothing else did. Scrubbing, soft scrub, natural, toxic, nothing would work. So if you're hesitating buying this, I'm actually shocked at how great it worked. I'm gonna keep using it. And this is the area I did a second application on and it completely went away. So this product really works when absolutely nothing else did. Especially up here, you can tell this was so bad up top. So overall, this is a great product. Don't hesitate, no affiliation with them.